Hi people. So like I said, I was gonna start a new series on unboxing all of these shoes that I have. I got kind of distracted. I have ADHD, but tonight I'm gonna open some for you, and they're gonna be got some Pumas from the Marathon Clothing. These are the RSX Hussle way. So let's see what's in here. I just really love it when the paper is all cute and has little logos on it. Like, it just shows they go the extra mile. Makes me happy. Man, I've had these since they came out and I still haven't worn them because I was waiting to unbox them, but kept getting distracted. But wow, these are freaking adorable. Look at it, they got Nipsey's little signature on there. Don't look at my nails, I need to redo them, but yes. Got Nipsey's little signature on them. Oh, what? Little red accents. TMC right there in gold. That's pretty. Oh, and they got, oh, there's blue too. What? So it's like, oh, look at, what? I didn't even realize that. That one's cute too. Like little logos, little, I guess these are if you want to hang them up on something, but I don't know. I generally keep my shoes in their boxes. Ooh. Y'all know I love really cool soles, so the fact that they, again, went the extra mile and added the red and the navy on the soles, along with the little, what does it say, running system. I'm like, I'm not going to be doing any running, but I will be doing a lot of walking in these. These are super cool. Like, look at the details, pretty goddamn awesome. Oh, wait, there's more. It's like an infomercial. No, y'all, the shoestrings, look, the shoestrings, they say Marathon on them. Dude, I don't know if you can really see that. I'm trying, but it's there. Super cute. And just, there's the inside. Let's see. I think the other shoe is the same, but just to make sure, we're gonna look at it. Like, I think it's the same. Very nice. Again, signature, and then all the same stuff on the other shoe. I really freaking like these. These look like some good walking shoes. And yeah, they look big because I got big feet. I got some goddamn clod hoppers, but always got to keep those clod hoppers looking nice in some cute little shoes. Aw, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with another pair of shoes.